how to turn on raise to ear and answer incoming calls, or flip your phone to mute incoming calls. This is for Tecno phones, Android, iOS. To find these two features, the guaranteed way is using the quick access. Tap on your settings icon here and type in the words micro intelligence, this one right here. Okay, so you're going to type this in, and when you see the suggestion, go ahead and tap on it right here. Now, once you're here now, you're going to see a list of different gestures for your phone. So the first one would be flip to mute. And this basically, with this turned on, if you have incoming calls and it's ringing at the moment, you'll place your phone face flat down like that. That's going to silence the call, but not decline the call, okay? Now, the next one would be raise to ear. So this here, if you have an incoming call, you can just simply take your phone and place it close to your ear, and that's going to answer that call for you. And it's also showing you the animation as to how it works. And of course, if you don't like these features, turn it off. And if you want to turn them back on again, you can come back here, like and sub.